true to the barber, what I'm going to do is show you guys real quick on how to modify these new and this cordless trimmers. These have a GTX style blade on them. With the deep tooth, I want to take them to their peak performance. So I'm going to take our 1 minute blade modifier, modify this blade slightly, probably 30 seconds to a minute max, and then I'm going to put the blade back on and then go to work with them today. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the screwdriver, remove the blade, and the only blade I need to modify is the stationary blade. Never need to modify the moving blade, the cutting blade, so just the stationary blade. Now our blade modifier now comes in these box packaging. Now you can use this blade modifier on any trimmers to modify the stationary blade to make them hit sharper, closer shave, and just overall better performance. Take some oil, put a drop of oil in the center of the blade modifier. I'm gonna make sure that the Andis logo is pointed on the same side where it says blade brand logo on this side. Slide it into the bottom right here. This is the catch. Bring it over here to the oil, and then I'm gonna work it back and forth. Putting pressure on it though. You wanna push down and put enough pressure to where the diamond stone could remove metal from the blade. Work that back and forth. So I usually do about 30 seconds, then I check the blade to see if it's where I want it. And if I want to modify it some more, then I'll go another 30 seconds and continue to do that until I get the modification that I want. So let's see what we got so far. Let's see, this shine right here wasn't originally there. You can see it actually removed the gold coloring too. But this is what's going to make your trimmers hit like crazy. This is going to take them to their peak performance. This slight modification. Perfect, across, straight. And it's still smooth enough. It's not really catching my fingers. So that's what I want. So now what I'm gonna do is make sure I clean this completely off. Slap these back on the trimmer. There you got it.